Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Jotform submissions to sync into Airtable step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Jotform website. Log into your Jotform account. Select the form you want to integrate with Airtable. Click on the Settings tab located at the top of the page. In the left sidebar, find and click on Integrations. In the search bar, type Airtable and select it from the list of integrations. Click on the Authenticate button to connect your Airtable account. You will be prompted to enter your Airtable API key. To find your API key, navigate to the Airtable account settings. Once you locate your API key, copy it and paste it back into the Jotform authentication prompt. After authentication, select the Airtable base you want to sync with. Choose the specific table within that base where you want the form submissions to go. Map the Jotform fields to the corresponding Airtable fields. Make sure each Jotform field matches the appropriate Airtable field type. Once everything is mapped correctly, click on the Save button to confirm the integration. Test the integration by submitting a test response on your Jotform. Check your Airtable base to ensure the submission appears in the selected table. If the test submission is successful, your integration is fully set up. Feel free to add any additional settings or customizations as needed within Jotform. Your Jotform submissions will now automatically sync to Airtable for easy management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.